Guys, so today I will only revise what I have taught, teach you, taught, what you have been taught in last 4 days by me. That is, the first thing is electronegativity, electrophilic and nucleophilic, that are the like electron loving group and nucleus loving group, means positive loving group. Then in second lecture we started the nucleophilicity, that if donor atom is same, nucleophilicity is proportional to basicity. In rows, nucleophilicity is inversely proportional to basicity. In common, nucleophilicity is proportional to basicity. Charged nucleophile is bigger than neutral nucleophile, and alpha effect. Now then we studied about leaving group ability, which is directly proportional to stability of that halogen minus group, that group which is taking the negative charge, so that will initiate the electron to leave that group, increasing the leaving group ability of that atom. Similarly, leaving group ability is proportional to acidity of Hx. Now acids are electron taking group are acids, and the more ability the halogen have to take an electron, the higher will be the acidity, and is inversely proportional to pK of Hx. Means the lesser the acidic, the lesser the leaving group ability. Okay. Means the lesser the pK, the high ability. Means if the atom Hx have lower pK value, means it's more acidic, means it has a higher tendency to take electron, means higher leaving group ability. Okay. Proportional leaving group ability is inversely proportional, means as pK value is 10 to the 10, then it will be 40 and inversely proportional. As the inversely proportional, because the lesser the pK value, the higher will be leaving group acidity, means more acidic. So like these two are connected. Okay, the more acidic, the lesser the pK value. So if it is directly proportional to acidity, it is inversely proportional to pK value of Hx. I hope you can understand. And in the last lecture we covered solvent, that can be polar and non-polar, and also in polar it can be protic or aprotic. In protic, XH present, ROH. Aprotic, XH bond absent. In mu is equal to 0 means non-polar, mu is not equal to 0 means polar, and mu is can be also be equal if all the halogens are same and in quantity of like 4 6, like from every side the pool is same, so mu will be 0. Sometimes mu is the polarity value. And in non-polar, examples are N-hexene, benzene, CCl4, etc. And in polar, protic, XH bond should be present, means one halogen should be present, which will be protic. And in aprotic, like S, CH2, C triple bond, and means many different atoms are present, making it the bond polar, but not like a single halogen is dominating. That would be aprotic. Okay, that's it for today. From tomorrow I will teach you different topics and start the real mechanism from tomorrow. Okay, nucleophilic substitution. So all the very best, study hard, and let's meet tomorrow.